How to change ChatGPT account password. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on our channel. If you're trying to change the password of your ChatGPT, or if you have forgotten the password of your ChatGPT, let me show you the quick process on how you can change it. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. First of all, let's head over to the website of ChatGPT, open up your web browsers and search for chat.openai.com. Once you land on the website of ChatGPT, if you are logged into your account, make sure that you log out because you cannot change your password when you are logged in. So make sure that you log out of your account and you'll land on this interface. Now what you'll need to do is tap on login and type in the email address that is linked with your ChatGPT account. Type in your email address and tap on continue. After that, in the next step, it will ask you for your password. Now from here, you just tap on forgot password. And in the next step, an email will be sent to the email address that is written right here that you just typed in. So make sure that is the right email address linked with your ChatGPT. Just tap on continue. After that, you'll need to open up your email. And as you can see, this email has been sent to my email address. It should also be sent for yours. From here, you just need to tap on reset password. In the next step, you'll see a section where you can now create your new password. So this is the only way that you can change the password of ChatGPT, which is you'll need to reset it. So type in the new password that you want. And in the second step, again reconfirm it. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and also make sure that both of these passwords match. To reveal this password, you can tap on this eye icon and the password will be revealed. Now once you type in both of these boxes, you can tap on reset and there you go. Your password of ChatGPT now has been successfully changed and reset. Now you can again open up chat.openai.com. Tap on login and this time type in the new password that you just created and you'll be successfully logged in to your ChatGPT account. So that was a quick process of changing ChatGPT account password. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.